This peaceful demonstration is being held by Baloch Republican Student Organization in Berlin, Germany. To give a review, occupied Balochistan. Pakistan invaded on 27 March 1948. Ever since, Balochistan has been under illegal military rule from Islamabad. The Baloch were never asked if they wanted to be a part of Pakistan. Indeed, the Baloch parliament voted unanimously against incorporation in the new Pakistani state. Thousands of Baloch have been massacred, hundreds and thousands made refugees, thousands more have disappeared or been tortured and jailed, often without trial. Pakistan is guilty war crimes and crimes against humanity. Balochistan natural resources have been looted by Pakistan political military and big business elite while most of Baloch live in abject poverty. The Balochi language and culture have been superseded in classic colonial style since the occupation. Pakistan conducted five major military offensives on the occasion of 1948, 1958, 1963, 1973, and the latest phase started in 2000 when the military dictator retired. General Pervez Musharraf declared a war against Baloch people. This last phase has been the most brutal after 1973, and the Baloch are also considered this phase the most crucial for the survival. Thousands of Baloch were killed and abducted during each military operation since 1948. On this phase of military operation in 2000, Pakistani army launched a heavy military operation in Dera Bukti, killed 80-year-old Barakan Baloch leader Nawab Akbar Khan Bukti, the head of Jamhuri Watan Party. During the military operation, forces killed hundreds of Baloch in Dera Bukti. After the killing of Nawab Akbar Khan Bukti, Balochistan became a land of war. All Balochistan came into a fire. Thousands of Baloch were killed and abducted. Pakistani forces and secret agencies are violating human rights laws in occupied Balochistan. More than 20,000 Baloch have been abducted and their whereabouts remain undisclosed. And thousands of them were killed and dumped by Pakistan. In January 2014, three mass graves were found in Fuzdar district, Balochistan. 159 decomposed dead body of Baloch abducted persons were found. They were Baloch activists and abducted by secret agency ISI and FSFC from different areas of Balochistan. Frontier Corps of Pakistan have openly been abducting Baloch people and peaceful Baloch activists, social workers, intellectuals, teachers, students, doctors and columnists is convicted for raising voice against the human rights abuses in Balochistan. Pakistani forces raided Bukti refugees in Concord Sindh on the first week of April 2015 and abducted 20 Bukti IDBs including 13 women and children. After the assassination of Nawab Akbar Khan Bukti, number of Bukti families took shelter in Sindh because of the situation and military pressure in the area. Meanwhile, Pakistani establishment using conspiracy against backwardness of Baloch youth from education. Number of criminal activities were happened in Balochistan, which include target killing of senior and most influenced Baloch teachers, social workers and Baloch intellectuals, most whom were affiliated on the capacity of education centers. The central chairman of Baloch student organization, Zahid Baloch, is one of the recent victims of Pakistani agency. He was the leader of a student organization and working to educate the Baloch society. He was abducted on March 2014 from Quetta by Frontier Corps, and a senior Baloch intellectual education Liz Zahid Askani was killed in Gwadar, Makran division by state-backed death squad. He was representing private school in most area of Makran division. Schools are being burned in occupied Balochistan by state forces and high death squad. and girls' education is being banned by Pakistani extremists to keep them away from education. The Baloch girls have also been victim of acid attack by state Baghdad squad. Pakistan forces raid on hostels of students and arrest innocent students in front of people. And after the arrest, they would go missing. After some months, their mutilated dead bodies would show up from different parts of Balochistan. The aim of this peaceful demonstration is to highlight the human rights violation and extrajudicial killing and Baloch people genocide of Baloch nation by Pakistan army. We appeal the international community, human rights organization, United Nations, European Union to break your silence and raise your voice against the tyrant army and ISI of Pakistan in solidarity with Baloch.